Hi, I'm Matt Shaw. I'm Collection Manager of Terrestrial Invertebrates at South Australian Museum. I'm interested in lots of aspects of nature. Nature is life after all, but I'm really attracted to parts of nature where life really seethes, where it really teems with life. When you want to see that sort of thing, a good place to look into is soil and animal nests. And looking in those habitats, you quickly come to see a lot of mites. And you see a lot of these little creatures interacting in very strong and different ways. The collection I find most fascinating here is the Chigamite collection, as started by Herbert Womersley at South Australian Museum. Chigamites aren't thought about very much. They're very tiny, but they can be quite unfriendly to humans. There's some Chigamites that bite people, and when they do, they can transmit a very important disease called scrub typhus. They're very hidden and difficult to detect, but they're very diverse, over 1,000 species, and a really important start to their study happened here at South Australian Museum. It started with Herbert Womersley, who was a central figure in the study of very small insects and primitive insects and mites back in the 30s. Mites became very important during World War II. They'd always been important for the people who lived throughout tropical Asia. Many people throughout tropical Asia knew the danger of scrub typhus mites. Allied troops discovered it for themselves when they started to move through rainforest areas and through cleared rainforest areas and became infected with scrub typhus.